got the fish. He got a fish.
You got a fish?
First fish of the day. Macam belum baby. Tu pla lo.
Yok, itu pula.
Giờ ra cá sấu là cái gì chia thế mà chừng đó tôi phụ chia tôi phán mình chén baby
Pani lumen.
phán mình mèo
Tôi measure.
chị measure đấy
Chị measure cho lý cho bái. Nó
cho tay
nó cho lên một cho họ lôi thị tu ô nó.
cái phụ đấy you got the I think 25 yeah you gonna yeah
No, it's only 26.
26 tuổi cái bắt đầuเลยมันจำจันตัวนะ
No.
นี่
Chú chị nghĩ hôm mà mua phải đó.
Alexander.
có mấy chú ban bé
No?
cho đi mà mấy hay cơ mà con nó mà cô chốt té yêu thì con bé man trẻ á
Đó. Mami and No, chị to ăn thai.
Sana ta yêu tua nó cũ á
Dạ, đúng rồi.
vậy
Mình gà tụi bạn bé cho đánh đi. Gà tụi bạn bé nó cho đánh đi, tụi mà mua cho mẹ cô.
Let's go cho nếu mà có chỉ cho nếu chặt bay rồi sao biết tụi bạn bé gái tên có mang trẻ nè
Nó chị to.
tao cho nó mà cho nó
I don't know.
chỉ mua là
Không dễ xíu.
chú là nằm á chim nọ nè
Người tụi Yep. Nó không cho xí. This is like the fourth fish or something. The little hakatolo. Whoa, big fish. Oh,
Point to the fish tank.
The fishy.
That's a pig.
Big fishy. Big fishy. What?
Is he smelling?
Yeah.
Take a picture.
Ooh. I just pulled it very slowly. He bit the hook off almost. I was like, come here, then snap. My dad. My dad. Right here, trying to get off the little bit.
Very slippery.
Very slippery, he said. Just like in the stories. So we just come here and try to fish. If there's any like fish or not. So I don't know. Very small, big. Oh, that's the same one that we caught. That's the same one we caught.
Same one?
Yes.
The size look the same?
Yeah.
And his name is called Jack?
Yes.
Same Jack. Jack the second.
Jack the first for me.
The first one is gone.
No. This is the same one, so
Okay.
technically first. Jack the first.
Yep. Hello. No cooking or?
Yep, she's cooking. I already told you she was cooking.
Hello, shaka nasa dapat.
No, he swallowed it.
I gotta sit there.
I'm gonna try it. Bye-bye. Clicking that. My dad got a fish. Big fishy. Big fishy, fatty fish. Fat fish. Big and fat fish. Wow. Guys, that fish is called a brim, but he's actually fat.
In Australia, they call it brain.
And he's actual kind of fat. Right? He's kind of fat.
It must eat a lot of my food that I barely.
I think it just ate like 1 or 2 pieces. So it's done.
Go and grab it and ask your mommy to measure. If it's 26, we take it. If it's less, you got it? Grab it
Over
hard.
26.
If it's less than 26.
Okay. These damn fish. Now, we are gonna put these over there and these over here. It hurts me. Oh, is that over there? Okay. Yeah. My head is gonna die. Over 26 you keep.
Sure, couple more.
Over 26. Go to Bonjour 27 or something. Let me take catch you now.
Catch it, Tolia. Don't do.
Nope, I know. It's only
25 sir. 25 sir, chỉ rồi.
you're 25. Đó. Don't talk đi.
Đọc một tí là nè. Phải đó.
Nếu chủ nhớ rồi sẽ đã thằng này lom bò lên đấy. Nhưng mà phải tao.
Được kìa.
Chú muốn để cho mình
đó chị lo lo the crap á
Let's see, turn, do only not silo.
chị lo
Only not silo.
tù
Chị là các phụ. Em mà mi phải bỏ theo nó. Đi lo thì kệ.
cái nó mà khổ